Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a stream delay using OBS on your PC. And this is easy to do. Let's go up to File and then go to Settings. Now we want to drop down to where it says Advanced. And scroll on down. And you can see this right here. It says Stream Delay. Just simply enable this. The cool thing is we can actually enable a custom delay in here. So we got 20 seconds by default. And if we go ahead and add this as a stream delay, if you look over here, we are using memory on our computer, so we can increase this. And let's see what we can go up to. So it looks like it's not a lot of memory that's going to be using until you start getting into like the hundreds. If you're in the thousands, that might be getting to the point where it's starting to make a significant impact on your performance. So as we go up, it's just going up by 1 MB per second. So just be aware of that if you're limited on system resources. It says preserve cutoff point, increase delay when reconnecting. So you can add a stream delay simply by coming to this section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.